Parents, should you give your child past year exam papers? The answer is yes and no, and here is why. So I would recommend to give past year exam papers to your child if your child is actually performing maybe above average, like 70 out of 100, or very close to that range. This means that they have a good base understanding of most of the topics and concepts they have learned so far. So with past year exam papers, your child is able to go through different type of questions that schools prepare. And I believe schools has a lot of experience creating questions for students. Most of their questions are based on a very important exam in their life, which is PSLE. Therefore, if your child is, above average, maybe doing 70 marks or 70% above on their test and exam, then past year exam papers is a good way to get better. However, if your child is below 70 or even 60 marks or percentage, then I would not recommend you to do past year exam papers. That means your child has some basic understanding that they might not be clear of, and that's where it's better to see what they are weak at, maybe fractions or maybe percentages, and just give your child more questions based on the topics or concept. And once the gap has been filled with more target questions on percentage and fractions, then you can slowly introduce them to past year exam papers.